Hello kids, how are you all? Do you know kids, Hindu culture has many festivals and one of the most celebrated festival, that is Raksha Bandhan, is coming soon. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist and pray for his safety and good health. And brothers give gifts to their sisters and promise to protect them. So kids, we should also remember our brave brothers who are always protecting us at country borders. We call them soldiers. Although they live apart but still protect us, our country and our life. They fight with the enemies of our country so that we can sleep peacefully in our house. So today, let's pray to God for their safety and good health. And let's make DIY Rakhis for them. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Here I have cardboard in round shape, and here I have ice cream sticks, and I have cut them from backside to make them short with the help of this knife. And here I have glued white paper on it. And here I have drawn two lines in the middle of the ice cream sticks with pencil. And now I am going to paint one side with the orange watercolor. And the next step is to paint on other side with green color. So here I have done painting on both sides, and now I will paint middle part with white color. Now it's time to color this round piece of cardboard with yellow color. So it's also done. Now we have to glue these sticks on it. And here I have wrote Jai Hind in the middle. And now I am gonna Ashok Chakra on white stripes. And here I have made heart shape and colored with orange and green color. So now what I am gonna do is just paste these simple bindis here. And now we will paste these glittered bindis right on the top of those simple bindis. So it's done. And now we have to flip it over and have to glue this thread here and cover it with this small piece of cardboard. So here our beautiful DIY Rakhi is ready. I hope you enjoy this video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy Independence Day and happy Raksha Bandhan to all.